In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on autoplay for videos on Facebook. Autoplay allows videos to play automatically as you scroll through your news feed, making it easier to watch and engage with content. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. What you want to do next is scroll down again, and you'll see a section called Preferences, and in that section you'll see an option called Media. Just tap on it. Now you'll see an option called Autoplay, and it's set to never autoplay videos. To turn on autoplay on Facebook, simply tap and select this option. On mobile data and Wi-Fi. Now you've successfully enabled autoplay on Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.